Hi, I am Pregymatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 12th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 12th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in protein, iron, calcium and folic acid. Your baby's internal organs like heart, kidney, pancreas are all in full work mode. They will need these nutrients. We will see how to make pearlmillet dosa or dosa for this week. Pearlmillet dosa or dosa. Ingredients required: pearlmillet or 250 grams, parboiled rice or idli rice 250 grams, urad dal 100 grams, fenugreek half teaspoon, oil and salt will be needed. Pearlmillet dosa or dosa. Soak the pearlmillet, parboiled rice, urad dal and fenugreek for 4 hours in water. Then, in a wet grinder, add the soaked ingredients and make it as a coarse batter. Add salt for taste. Shift the batter to a dry container and allow to ferment for 3 hours. After 3 hours of fermentation, pour a ladleful of batter in a hot dosa pan. Then, add oil and cook till it turns golden brown. Serve the hot crispy dosa. Pearlmillet dosa or dosa. Pearlmillet is a rich source of protein, iron and fiber. Urad dal is a rich source of minerals, vitamins, dietary fiber and vitamin B12. These nutrients will support the internal organ development of your fetus. And then, hope you liked the 12th week pregnancy recipe video from Pregymatic. Pregymatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.